Good morning, everyone. I am Anish Chandak presenting my design project Krishi Samruddha Kendra, mentored by architect Shantanu Athod. The brief was to design an agro development hub in vicinity of ongoing project Samruddhi Mahamarg, which connects the west to east from Mumbai to Nagpur. The components given were exhibition space, agro-tech center, research and development center, skill center, agro-tourist center, trade center, and residential block. The case studies were we did the case study of different components to understand the scale, function, and requirement of the component. So this is the case study of the Friendship Center, which is located in Bangladesh. This is the case study of a research and development center, which consisted of entrance lobby, office space, exhibition space, labs for the research, and logistics. The site is located in Bozade village, which is close to Kopargaon Taluka and located in Ahmednagar district. It is connected by the ongoing project Samruddhi Mahamarg, which is 120-meter wide and also consists of a 36-meter service road, which leads to the site. This is the Samruddhi Mahamarg, which connects the site from the west to east, and on the western side of the site there is Godavari River. The total area of site is 300 acres. This is the map which shows the connection of Bozade village with different cities. The main stretch is from Nasik to Aurangabad, and the small towns located in the vicinity like Shirdi, Srirampur, Manmad, Kopargaon, and Malegaon. The whole site has a 1 meter drop contour topography, and the site is located near the Godavari River, hence the soil is fertile and appropriate for an agriculture land. The climate of Bozade village and the vicinity area is like hot and which falls in hot and dry region. Hence, the summers here are extreme hot and monsoons are moderate with minimum rainfall. The neighboring villages also have the same climate. Hence, the most widely used material here is brick and also flat roof to collect the rainwater. This is the slide which shows the behavior and the human cultural pattern of the vicinity of Bozade village. So the vicinity villages which are Sade, Kahanegaon and Kokamthan have very less uh, very less population and which mostly comprises of people doing agricultural practice here. On the west lies Mumbai and on the east lies Nagpur. The Samruddhi Marg, which is connecting, will have the heavy transport and public movement. Hence, also a small service road has been provided, which will lead to the site and have the access from the same. Also, on the east side, there is Godavari River. The concept was the agriculture is a word that relates with earth. Hence, the design approach was to create spaces that won't hamper the local tradition and also be climate responsive. Hence, using sustainable materials like bamboo, rammed earth, and adobe bricks are utilized, which will reduce the construction cost and transport movement here. Also, the spaces here will be having indoor and outdoor connectivity, and someone experiencing the spaces won't be bounded by four walls. This is the initial idea of locating all the components uh, on a small land, making a island which will be covered by uh, farms all around this area. This is the master plan. Here, the approach evolved to creating a journey from the start, and hence the user will experience the spaces and within the farms. Hence, the spaces have been combined and uh, segregated according to their function as well. This is the first block consisting of public spaces and entry where the reception area and offices will be there. The amphitheater, water body, exhibition spaces. This is the second block consisting of all institutional buildings, agrotech center, skill development center, and research and development center. This is the third block consisting of trade center close to the service road, hence allowing a proper vehicular movement for the pickup vehicles, and this consists of market, uh, shopping center for farmers, food court, logistics, and storage areas. This is the residential block which consists of lobby, a central court, cafeteria, tourist residence, staff residence, and farmers residence. Thank